How to use the GOV UK ID Check application. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the GOV UK ID Check application. First is of course open up your Google Play Store or any application that you can download apps into it. From here, just simply search for GOV UK ID Check, and then this is going to be the application that you need. All I have to do is to have it downloaded and install it. Now next is of course to open up the application. Now this is very easy to use. All I have to do is hit on continue, and then you will automatically be redirected to log in into your government UK account directly from the browser that you have on your mobile device. Now if you scroll down a bit, just simply choose on link app to continue or link app to log in, and on the next page you should be able to use the application without any problem. And that's it. That is how you use the gov.uk ID check app.